but she can't get no satisfaction. You're not the only one giving her some action. A bad girl that's built for speed. You got every damn thing a bad boy needs. And so turn it on, set it off. We got a long way to go and a showtime to get there.